What is up, everybody? It's Randy here at ROA Off-Road in South Carolina, RVsofAmerica.com, and we have a new, it's all blurry on purpose, we have a new line of camper that's going to get you into that entry level at an amazing price as well. You have solar. This is off-grid. This is off-grid. You still need the air conditioner. You got to plug into shore power for the air conditioner. But guys, check this out. This guy is the Ibex 19QRB, which is queen rear bath. It's got all-terrain tires. It has an outdoor grill over here, awesome stairs, and look at this. You ready? It's got a slide out. Is that freaking awesome or what? So cool. So we're gonna walk around it, really awesome. 400 watts of solar on the roof, pass through over here. We're putting lithium batteries on here. We're gonna give you a choice of 200 amp hours or 400 amp hours. We're getting a box that we're gonna build that's lockable. And then you have a 2000 watt inverter that turns on here. Tons of pass-through storage. You get a griddle, have lights in here as well. This off and on light, you can't see it, but this little guy here lights up and goes through some magical lights during the day. Front window, awesome awning, great speakers outside. There is lights up there on the awning, outdoor shower. But this is called the Black Canyon Edition with beast mode suspension. Like I said, 400 watts on the roof. This is pretty cool. Aluminum frame, sealed underbelly, forced heat to the underbelly, standard 12 volt heating pads on all the tanks. Look at that cool suspension. Now, I don't know how off-road you want to get with this. However, this is definitely going to be off-grid for you guys. So these are all the cool features. There's other information down below you guys can click on, but take a minute, hit pause, read all the cool features that it comes with here on the video, and I'm going to continue on inside. Right when you walk in, there's a fridge. What's up? You're going to have a slide out with recliners. Thomas and I were just sitting on these guys, had them kicked back, relaxing. Look at all this Friday night dance party room you have. And it comes with an air fryer, 2-burner stove, cutting board, a cool, this is winterized, but you have water coming down here, or you can flip it, push a button, and you have like a little waterfall. But that, to rinse your glasses, totally cool. Wireless charger, you push, you lift up all the way, more chargers, tons and tons of storage. Hey, let me turn the lights on for you. Right over here, interior lights, porch light, slide, 30 amp solar controller, Bluetooth radio. A is for inside, B is for outside, heated tanks. Your little fan goes to the outside, 2-burner stove. Look at all that storage up there. I wonder if I can put a fishing pole across that. Yep, it is completely passed through. You can put all the fishing poles you want in there. I like the windows. They have these pull tabs that come down. Those are pretty awesome. That's all your extra gear to go outside. You have cubbies in the back, over there and over there. And then underneath the bed, this lifts up. You have storage here, storage, secret storage back there. Your inverter is accessible through here with a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's whip around here. Heater, refrigerator. Look at that, 10 cubic foot. You even got a vacuum. Look at your little vacuum there. Isn't that adorable? Nice big shower, little baby sink. Down here is pretty cool. That is a little motion sensor light. So when you come in the bathroom at night, it turns on. That's a pretty cool thing there. And then look at this in the bathroom. Look, you have a giant closet in there. Isn't that awesome? And then don't forget, you have a nice big fan and a nice skylight. Let all that light coming in. But yeah, look at that. This thing's huge for a 19 foot. It weighs 4,400 pounds dry. And the cargo capacity on these, this one's actually 870 pounds. I think that's because of the slide out. The other 19 that we have, which is, there'll be a link in the description below so that you can check that one out and see that one. That one has 1,100 pounds of cargo capacity. So guys, this is a new brand we're carrying. It's called Ibex. There's multiple floor plans. We have them all listed. All the sales coaches went up to Forest River and toured all these models, spoke with the builders, the techs, everybody up there, and they loved them. So now we're selling them. I have two in South Carolina. It's a 19 with a slide out and a 19 that doesn't have a slide out. Stay tuned. That video is probably going to come from Thomas here in a day or two. So check that out. But the other cool thing is these lights. You can press them and they turn off and on. Email us, text us, call us. We're here to help you out and educate and get you out adventuring in your brand new off-grid camper. Have a great day, and as always, enjoy those adventures.